So I've got a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. The intelligent key had stopped working. It wouldn't unlock the doors. If you had it inside the car, it wouldn't start the car. If you put the key up to the start button, it would start the car. Tried replacing the batteries, that didn't do anything. Tried resyncing it with the car, with unplugging the battery method and a few other methods. That didn't work. And the display I was getting was, if I take the key out, you can see I was getting no key detected. So I went to the dealer and they wanted to charge me $414 for one new key. And both my keys were bad. So what I ended up doing was opening the key up, and I found this. And here's how you open the remote up. You slide your key out, and you take a credit card or something. Didn't have to get in there. You pop it open, slide it under the top. Okay, and now it's open. You got your battery and your chip. So what had happened was these contacts here were still touching the battery, but they were a little low, so I bent them up. And what was really doing it was actually the contact on this side by the battery. So on both remotes, these have been pressed in too far, these two contacts, and that was preventing battery power from going to the chip. So I got a credit card and just pulled those up on either side on both remotes, and voila, the remote was working again. As you can see here. So that's one way to fix this. It seems like the dealers won't tell you if your pins aren't touching. They just tell you to go get a new remote. So hopefully that saves you four or $500 on the Nissan Smart Key.